When we come home from work, it easily happens that we keep on working inside our heads. We are physically present, but mentally somewhere else. We would like to relax and enjoy our free time, but are unable to do it. We feel stressed and tense. We may be cranky on our spouse or children, and after that, we feel even worse. It is important to learn to make the shift from work to rest. Disconnect from work so that we are able to have a daily rest, also mentally. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in and when breathing out, let your stress come out. Breathe in and when breathing out, relax your shoulders all the way to your fingertips. Then open your arms, stretch your chest, keep breathing deeply and peacefully and gently roll your wrists. Use your body to get the heavy thoughts out of your mind. Then bring your arms down. Now bring a thought to your mind that makes you feel good. A thing that makes you smile. Memorable meeting with someone. Holiday trip that you are planning. Smile for real. Not only in your mind. Did you know that smiling releases endorphins, hormones that are natural stress and pain relievers? The effect is so strong that it happens even if you would fake your smile. Let go of work thoughts. Change your sitting position if you want. Keep on breathing and thinking about the thing that made you feel good. Can you see how the clouds are slowly passing by? Let's watch them together a while. Let's just be and thinking about things that makes us smile. Then breathe in and out. Your day has been long and you've done many things. It is enough. You can be happy about yourself. Now stretch yourself once more. During the rest of the day, if work comes to your mind again, do not get irritated about it. It happens for all of us. When it happens, just gently push those thoughts away by consciously thinking about lighter things in your life. Have a good evening. I hope we'll meet again.